So recently iOS came up with an update where you can actually schedule your text to send it later. I'm going to show you how to do it right here. And in a draft text message, I'm going to click on the plus sign next to the text box. And then I'm going to click on send later. And in here you see you have an option for choosing your date and time. You just go ahead and click on that blue bar. It'll give you a scroll option to choose a date and time. One thing I did notice is that you can only go out 2 weeks. So I'm scrolling all the way in January and it's going to pop me back to October 12th. So you can only go out 2 weeks with this, and you set the time that you want it to send. You can type your message there. I'm just going to put hi again. I'm going to send this to me. Just type whatever message you need there. I'm going to paste in my own phone number, and then I'm going to click my number, and then I'm going to click send. And now it's scheduled. You see I have another one previously scheduled on October 12th. That is it. This is a pretty cool feature that they just came out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.